Hello, welcome to the plot. Lovely sunny afternoon. So I thought I'd come down and have a look. So before we had that really cold spell, December, I planted out what they call it, early douce Provence peas, and they were growing. They're popping up. You can see one there, but it was just too cold. The frost has killed it all. Whether it'll grow back or not, I don't know, but I'll leave it all in there. And I'll plant out some peas in spring anyway. So this is my problem area. So this is all solid clay. It cracked a lot during the summer, so I gave it a good dug before winter, added loads of compost and sand, left some big clumps on top for the frost to break it down, and it's worked a treat. So all these clay lumps here are just crumbling nicely. It's all mixed nicely with the compost I've added as well. So this looks great. What have I got over here? So this is the onion patch that I had last year. I'm going to move this across, so that's all fine. I'm taking the rest of the carrots out and then just use the cultivator to rake all this bit in. The garlic's looking okay. So brassica bed is going to be moved over to this bed. So I've just given this a good rake in and digging. So yeah, everything's out now. I've just picked the last sprouts, and I had about 5 purple sprouted broccoli that, I don't know, stem rot. They just died. Whether it was the frost or whether it's some kind of nasty in there, I don't really know. So I've had to pull all that out, which gives me the chance of moving the brassica cage early anyway. So yeah, that's what I've just done today. Just a few hours. See you later.